Temperature check on slab 4. Awaiting clearance for the next cut.
Reading confirmed. Proceed.
The temperature on the slab is high.
Increase the coolant flow on stand 4.
The carbon levels are stabilizing right on target.
Manganese is holding steady at 1.2%.
The coating looks consistent, but let's monitor the air knives pressure.
Confirmed. All readings are within the acceptable range.
We need to move the coils in row 4. The system just updated the priority.
All right, I'm initiating the transport sequence now.
The elongation looks good on this sample.
Run the microstructure analysis on the Z23. The data logger picked up an anomaly.
Copy that. Shipment 72B is secured. Next truck to Bay 2.
The high-speed blanking line transforms raw steel coils into precision panels, utilizing powerful rhythmic.
Coil 47B. Weight checks out.
Confirmed. Route to Station 3.
Formed panels entering trimming presses where excess material is sheared away with precision cuts.
The temperature reached 200 degrees Celsius in zone 3.
The thermal profile looks stable. We have a consistent cure.
The electrostatic primer bath ensures a uniform coating through electrical attraction, a critical step before the panels enter the ovens for curing.
Quality verification is complete on this batch.
Data aligned with specs. Move them out.
The automated systems ensure a seamless flow, drastically reducing retrieval times.
The sequence order is holding steady at 98% efficiency.
Good. The paint shop is clear for the next batch.
In the cleaning zone, high-pressure air nozzles blast away particles. Then, our team performs
the temperature peaks, the wet e-coat transforms into a resilient, high-gloss protective layer, monitored closely by infrared sensors.
Here, quality control is paramount. Inspectors identify even the smallest flaws, which are then corrected at the
We scan the connection here, wait for the green light, and then clip it securely. The schematics must be followed precisely.
Lower it slowly, watch the harness. Got it.
Securing the left bolt now. Securing the left bolt now.
The synchronized ballet of automation begins as the freshly painted bodies meet the assembly line, where precision is paramount.
Bolts are secured.
Harness connected.
Running the diagnostic check now. Looks good.
Let's test the strut pressure now.
Smooth lift. The latch engages perfectly.
Check the torque curve on bank 2.
Looks good. All parameters are nominal. Test approved.
Aligning the front mount now.
Got it. Hitting the bolts. Sequence is good. Here are the calipers. Got them. Securing the connection now. Alignment looks good. Keep going.
Quality check complete. The installation is secure and meets specifications. We are clear for the next stage.
All fluids topped off and verified against the checklist.
Looks good. Let's move the equipment.
The final inspection is complete. Everything looks good. Ready for the showroom.
Ignition sequence complete.
Power output increasing smoothly, looking good across the board.
The deceleration looks good on the front axle.
Balance is within tolerance. We have a pass.
Front right is showing green. Lock it down.
Copy that.
The panel gap is exactly 2 millimeters, well within tolerance.
Noted. The exterior audit is complete.
This massive marshalling yard is a testament to precision, organizing thousands of vehicles daily for global distribution.
Hold it right there. Perfect.
Clear on this side, moving to the next level.